Hello guys, here's a bit of a hit Bitcoin 2 Plus on my Bitcoin 2 Plus. I know it's in the Bitcoin. It's my second time making this video. My phone's, if you know by now, phone can be a stupid cunt asshole and it did a video and smell my fucking gay ass phone. So it is got also fucking unfinished. Doing its Ukraine or to its Ukraine guide from and something called for information. His guy sold for 15, but nobody bought it, so he said fuck it and just give it to me because he was done away or smashed it or something, I don't know. So, it's a homicide. It can't be. I think somebody drove it first so I can get the mail over here. You know, see that? It's missing a chin when I realize that. So, sorry guys. Otherwise, my back on way more. I have my head on the silver's portion. I fucking knew in a million other videos that my phone's doing smart mode and all fucking my course. So guys, point with the symbol like a child. I'm gonna guys get mad for a bit. For one, it's just the symbol. Two, it's my shit. Guys gotta realize that. Like, for real. There's again, little fucking my phone, asshole. Ow. I don't think I would test this in the boost. I just realized that, guys, that's fun. Remember, test this in the boost. I'm gonna do that, don't spin down. I get bored, don't spin down. Can't work smart mama now. Don't look at my phone on smart mode, so that's fucking good. Alright, let's go have goddamn wall. I will show you. If ever see videos are short and also, it's usually because I done it already, it didn't work out. So usually my try videos the second time I make them shorter because I don't feel like making spend all day on videos, if you know what the fuck I mean. Then I post all in should feel better. Was almost a custom worker, but not really, of course. But figuring it's definitely not 100 original. That's good for the kitchen or bathroom. No, if it's thick or diamond, because you don't want too much cologne for people storing in there. Good for old stuff, isn't it? If I had someone gun the house, put this on wood. Actually, this is called a fan. can't remember. I think it's been high forward almost 2 minutes now. And definitely talk. Just spend down, watch, spend time with shit. This does the best. So I get bored, don't spend down, maybe. Try this and this. What the fuck? What we reverse? There we go. So sorry guys, you could pull tunes do like that. If you don't like portrait sound, just turn off. Goodbye, you. But simple as that. Wait, it is. They sure might to change these something directions down in the basement. To get cold in the basement, I want to sometimes leave a couple in summer. One just there's always do, cause still it's one of them stuff. Okay, let's still spin down. Almost done. I want to go, guys. It stopped. Hope you enjoying the video. Like, and subscribe, and peace the fuck out, motherfucking bitch is.